today Sir Noel Nas Nombrado. I am Miss Ipiteri from Bintech 1J. This is my presentation about SLSU NSTP. In this video, I will share how NSTP can help students become responsible and patriotic citizens. Our school, Southern Leyte State University, offering the NSTP on the National Service Training Program in the year 2002 to 2003, in accordance with the Republic Act number 9163, which signed into law by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The state recognizes the vital role of the youth in all aspects and encourages the involvement in public and civic affairs. It means that our school, Southern Leyte State University, started offering the National Service Training Program or NSTP is the school year 2002 to 2003. This is in line with Republic Act number 9163, also called this NSTP Act of 2001, which was signed into law by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. This program was made because the government knows that the youth play an important role in building the nation. It encourages students like us to join public and civic activities like participating in school or community outreach program or joining a cleanup drive in the community, and that can help our community. Students of new baccalaureate degree or at least 2 years technical vocational courses in public are required to complete one of the NSTP components for graduation. This means that students enrolled in a new baccalaureate program or in at least 2 years of technical vocational courses in public schools are required to complete one of the NSTP components as part of these graduation requirements. The National Service Training Program for tertiary level students are made to enhance the civic awareness and defense preparedness of all youth by promoting the ethics of service and patriotism, which achieve three components of training, which is ROTC, CWTS, and LTS. It is important to learn NSTP because it helps us grow as a good citizen, and it also helps us learn new skills and give service to our community. It also prepares us for emergencies. Most of the used components are the NSTP, ROTC, and CWTS, which undertaken for an academic period of 2 semesters and shall credited 3 units per semester for 54 hours or semester, and this shall not be included in the computation of grade. It means that NSTP are taken for 2 semesters and are worth 3 units each semester, with 54 hours per semester. But these subjects are not included in the computation of grades because they are pass or fail programs. The goal of NSTP is to teach students about helping the community, being responsible citizens, and being prepared for public services. So, as I mentioned earlier, NSTP has 3 components. The first component is the ROTC or the Reserve Officers Training Corps, which is designed to provide military training to tertiary level students in order to motivate, train, and mobilize us to be prepared for national defense. And the second component is the LTS or Literacy Training Services, which is designed to train students to become teachers in the need of the society. And lastly is the CWTS or Civic Welfare Training Service. CWTS program is where the students immerse to community services that helps develop the environment health, safety, and livelihood of the society. NSTP also build you as a person throughout the training program. It means that the NSTP or National Service Training Program is not just a single program, but is made up of three different components, each with its own focus and purpose. By saying NSTP has three components, we mean that students can choose which path they want to take based on their interests and goals. It is important to learn NSTP because it teaches students to serve the community, protect the nation, and become responsible citizens. That's all, and thank you for listening.